friends, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. Experience on the street property location, are very friendly by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests for their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 5. Amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Please will be required to present photo ID and check it. The property accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Check description. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking or renting this property, then you can help us by commenting and we will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your